Hey guys, it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what I got from Madison Braids. Timestamps are going to be in the description below. If you're looking for a specific piece of information, it's there. I'm going to be showing you guys the Double Lulu braid, which comes out tomorrow. And I'm also going to be showing you guys the Bree ponytail. Now, I did receive these products from Madison Braid, but as always, my review is 100% honest, so I got you guys. So first up, I'm going to be showing you guys the Lulu double braid, and I'm going to show you guys various ways you could wear this braid.
Told you that I loved you one more time, one more time, one more time. I should have told you that I loved you one more time, one more time, one more time. I should have told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should have told you that I loved you one more time, one more time.
So I really love how this headband looks like. It feels really nice and luxurious and silky to the touch. I also really like that it has two braids. I think it adds a little bit of a chic look. And I know that that has been highly requested from Madison Braids customers. So it's awesome that they listened to customer input and came through, you guys. It looks so cute. And honestly, it really can just elevate your look and look like you put so much more effort into your hair than you actually did. And put a messy bun, just leave your hair down, put this, and bam. It looks like you spent 30 minutes on your hair, but really you spent 3 seconds. I give this headband a 5 out of 5. And now we're gonna do the Bree ponytail.
I was hiding like the moon, like that never shone. I should have told you that I loved you one more time, one more time, one more time. I should have told you that I loved you one more time, one more time, one more time. I should have told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should have told you that I loved you one more time, one more time. I should have told you that I loved you. I should have told you that I loved you. I should have told you that I loved you one more time.
Okay, so this is the Bree ponytail. I highly suggest straightening your hair. I found that that was the easiest way. I feel like it blends pretty well with my hair color. Again, dark brown is the shade that I have. I think that this works really well as a low ponytail. I did try doing it as a high ponytail, and I definitely recommend using this more for low ponytails. There's very many different ways to use this. You can use a clasp, and I think that goes really well if you have thinner hair. You can also tuck your hair under this little flap. Me personally, what I did is I put the metal clasp right above my ponytail, and then I tied the ribbon around my ponytail base, and then after that I took a little section, probably half an inch, braided that, and I wrapped it around the base. I thought that added a little cute element right there. It is super long, so my hair straightened out with a low ponytail comes out to here, and so I get all this extra inches from the Bree ponytail. I give the Bree ponytail as a low ponytail a 5 out of 5. So that concludes what I got from Madison Braids. I hope you guys found this video super informational, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I always genuinely appreciate it. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe. All you have to do is click my face right here, and you can watch some of my other hair videos right here. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye!
One more time, one more time, one more time. I should have told you that I